Hi everyone, welcome back. In the last video, as you saw that how I was blending the values in between that, and now I will be kind of looking for getting some more nicer volume, in trying to get the subtle values happening there. Just trying to get some more lighter bits there so that the form starts to look more of a three-dimensional form here. These edges which I am painting now, it has to be a lot softer, because of the roundness of the form. The more softer the edges is, the more round it will start to appear, and the value shift is also quite slow here. I'm just putting the highlights because with that I can really check out the values around that area, All these play of values and light help us to remind that how subtle these values are, Values are very important. In fact, when you arrange the values nicely, like when you see in my painting, I haven't done too much of value shift into the shadows. I have just kept it very, very simple, And this is just a study for you, how to make it something simple, still more volume, more three-dimensional quality, There are a lot of things to be done into the detailing of that for sure. But when you start something, you start like this so that you get an idea how to approach the painting. I'm softening the edges of the terminator line here, which separates the light family and the shadow family. A bit lightening the lower section of the pot here, as it has to be more lighter. And you can see how subtle these changes are happening now. Always trying to minimize the contrast between the values so that the mind, like the eyes, always focus on the overall jug here. It's not trying to focus in one area only, If that is happening in your painting or drawing, that means either you have done too much contrast, either the shape is not working, either the edges is too sharp, all these nuances of understanding of this form is really important, I'm just softening the edges of the the cast shadow there. Okay everyone, so I hope you have learned something from this study, and we will continue to do another study in the next class. So bye everyone.